Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review on these canopy weights that we got for our canopy. We live in a very hot area and we had to get this canopy. We've had this for a while now, but we also needed to get weights because it is windy here. And we found these ones on Amazon and we absolutely love it. We take these weights with us pretty much anywhere, anytime we're taking this canopy, and we never had an issue of this thing right here just flying away. I think we have 4 right now and it's plenty of weight for this canopy. You can actually buy more and stack on top of each other. Let me show you right now. So each one of these have 10 pounds, so a pack of 4 total for 40 pounds. And if you need to buy more, you can easily stack these. Okay, so let me show you. So very easy to put these on your canopy, you know, where they have the little foot too for the stacks. You can just place this right here like that, and then you can add, you see the little dips right there, you can just add another weight on top of it and they will perfectly just sit together right there. So you can even add another one if you're, I don't know, if you live in a very windy place and you need more weight to hold the canopy. You can add as many sets of weight as you want. Like I said, for us 40 pounds is plenty. I love these things, very helpful. And if you have a canopy, you need these weights. It's also very easy to carry these around with you. They give you this one strap that you can just strap on the inside, right here, and you can carry all 4 in one single hand. Usually I'm not the one carrying it, my husband is, but it's easy, it's convenient, and like I said, if you have a canopy, you need these weights. A lot easier to carry these than the weight bags. The weight bags are way too big and bulky. These, you can just place them anywhere in your car.